Hello, happy morning to all my students there. How are you students? I hope that all my students are healthy and safe at home. Students, we have already started with chapter 8, that is patterns and symmetry. We have covered the topic pattern. Remember, हमने इसे zigzag करके lines बनाई थी in exercise 4th or 5th. It was in exercise 6th. Remember these patterns? Yes, and today we will be starting with the topic that is symmetry on page number 99 of your textbook. Let's move. Students, open your textbook, page number 99. We will be reading this and we will be understanding this. Okay, students? Let's read the first line together. Look at the picture given below. What do you see in common of them? When we look on this picture, we come to know that this is a flower, butterfly, bee, and one photo is there. When we divide this photo or when मैं इस पिक्चर को हाफ में डिवाइड करती हूँ, that division line is known as lines of symmetry. Okay, students? और जो division होगा that will be in equal hemisphere. Let's see this. See, this is the figure. When I divide this figure with the help of the line, this figure is equally divided. दोनों जगह जो इमेज होगी वो सेम होनी चाहिए. Then only I can say that this figure is symmetry. Okay, students? And this line is of symmetry or line of symmetry. Now we will see the next half topic. Symmetries in geometrical shapes. A square has 4 lines of symmetry. Let me draw one square. Here is a square. Okay, students? Let's count the lines. You can see this in the diagram also. A square has 4 lines of symmetry. This is a square. 1, 2, 3 and 4. These 4 lines are of symmetry. Okay, students? The second point is a rectangular has 2 lines of symmetry. This is a rectangular. This is the first line and this might be the second line. Okay, students? A circle has infinite lines of symmetry. As you can see in this figure, a circle has infinite. Infinite means जिसे हम count नहीं कर सकते. The fourth is an equilateral triangle has 3 lines of symmetry. Equilateral triangle ऐसे triangles होते हैं जिसके तीनों side equal हो. Wait. This is a triangle 5, 5 and 5. Okay? जिसके तीनों sides equal हो, उस triangle को बोलते हैं equilateral triangle. Of that, there are 3 lines of symmetry. This will be the first line. This will be the second line. And this could be the third line. That means कि आप कोई भी figure को equally distribute कर सकते हो. That is known as symmetry. और जिस line से आप distribute करते हो, that line is known as line of symmetry. So students, as you can see on the board, there is exercise 7. We will discuss it. But hold on, let me erase this first. So students, let's read the question number 1. Check whether the following figures are symmetrical about the dotted line. We have to check that these figures are symmetrical or not. Let's see this first figure. Line के लेफ्ट साइड और लाइन के राइट साइड दोनों जगह अगर सेम है then it is yes, and if they are not same then it is no. Okay students, as I observe, I feel like this figure is equal both the sides, so I will say that yes. Okay, let's move to second one. देखिए F, क्या लेफ्ट साइड और राइट साइड दोनों जगह सेम फिगर है, इक्वल डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन है? नो ना, then this will be wrong. Let's see the third one. सर्कल के अंदर एक स्क्वायर है, एक सेंटर से एक लाइन पास की गई है. This line is known as line of symmetry. The distribution is equal. What do you think? Yes, it's equal. So one white will be there. Okay students, let's read question number 2. Draw the lines of symmetry in each of the following figures. We are supposed to draw the line of symmetry. हमें फिगर दिया है, अब हमें उसका इक्वल डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन करना है. Let's start this with the first one. The first alphabet is V. मैं V को, this is the line of symmetry. क्या मैं ऐसी लाइन बनाऊंगी तो ये इक्वली डिस्ट्रीब्यूट होगा? What do you think? No ना? Then मुझे कैसी लाइन बनानी पड़ेगी? Wait a second students. तो मुझे कैसी लाइन बनानी पड़ेगी? मुझे ऐसी लाइन बनानी पड़ेगी जो सेंटर से पास हो. सो मेरी लाइन कहां से पास होनी चाहिए? सेंटर से. Then only I can say that this figure or is equally distributed. Okay students, let's see the B one. In B there is a flower. मुझे इसमें इक्वल डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन करना है. सो कितनी लाइन सिमेट्री की बनेगी? 1 और 2? Yes, there will be 2 lines of symmetry. First एक ऐसे, it will be in center. Yeah, equal parts हो गए. This will be the first line. This will be the second line. As you can see, इसमें भी equal distribution हो रहा है. Okay students, let's move to the figure number 3. It is half circle. So अब मैं इसका distribution कैसे करूँगी? I have to divide this in 2 parts. This will be the line of symmetry. Okay students, let's move to D. D के अंदर है हमारा अल्फाबेट M. So now अब मुझे इस M को इक्वली डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करना है. So what will I do? Yes, there will be only one line of symmetry. Okay students, I hope you will be able to solve the remaining sums. If you have any doubt, you are free to contact your ma'am. Let's move to question number 3. Complete the figure by drawing the second half. आधा फिगर दिया हुआ है and half figure I am supposed to solve it like this. I am not so good at drawing now. I have to complete this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and half. Okay students, in this way you will be doing this. So students, question number 1, 2 and 3 we have solved it. In short, we have discussed our exercise 7. let's move to the last exercise, that is review exercise. So now students, this will be your homework. Okay students, or I can say this will play the role of worksheet. Okay students, see, if you have any doubt, you are free to contact your ma'am. Bye students, take care, God bless you.